Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2023 Chevy Tahoe Z71. This castings by Matchbox and it's new for 2026. Looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Chevy Tahoe Z71 out of its box, and first thing you will notice this paint. It's kind of red, more of a dark red, I would say, maroon kind of shade. Wheels we have seen on so many different Matchbox SUV. They look decent. They look good for SUV with that. But I would have loved to see a different shade rather than chrome, but they don't look bad. Now starting from the front, so there's good details in the front. Like you can see detailed headlamp, detailed grille, painted grille, not detailed though, I will say. Chevy badge, Z71 badge, lower bumper. Again, it's a kind of off-road biased model. So bumper is cut short with a skid plate. You get both the mirrors, windshield wipers. One thing, they try to show the grille, but they just painted it completely black. So there are no textures or anything, and I think that's a mess by Matchbox. Because I know the center part, the front fascia is black, but the grille part should at least have some kind of design on it, some kind of grille texture to show. I'm just thinking of painting it, not even like making actual textures. The paint would have made it look more convincing rather than having just a big black face in front. Like fascia looks completely black, right? There should be some separation to show the design, but again, it's a main line. Can't complain much when they have the nice details. So now moving to the driver's side, we talked about the wheels. Apart from that, you have a step here. Windows are tinted, but B pillar is part of the window, not the actual casting. You got the fuel filler on the driver's side. I think that's all for the details on the side. Moving to the back, again some good details here. You can see you've got the Chevy badge, good trim, Tahoe badge, tail lamp which are detailed. Again, good to have that. And you got a spoiler, quad exhaust at the bottom, number plate with Z71, and this looks like a tow hitch cover. So good over details in the back. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference I see is the fuel filler. And this is how it looks from the top. You got roof rails, beads, and a antenna in the front on the driver's side. Interior seems to be finished in beige. Because of the tint, it doesn't come out really clear, but seems to have some details. 7 seats, which I can see. And this is how it looks from the bottom. Not a lot of details, so I'm assuming Matchbox is following Hot Wheels now. Minimum details in the base. Yeah, overall I think it looks really nice. The only complaint, as I said before, they could have done some kind of texture here rather than having the black, complete black. Kind of makes it hard to differentiate the actual part and the grille. Apart from that, looks like a really good casting for a mainline, and I think you're gonna like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.